Want to download your songs from Suno AI? Whether you'd like to save your music for offline listening, share it with others, or use it in your creative projects, downloading your songs is quick and easy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download songs from Suno AI in 2026. So let's get started. First, open the official Suno AI website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, open your library or workspace where your generated songs are stored. You can only download songs that belong to your account. Browse your music library and locate the song you'd like to download. You can also use search or filters if you have a large collection. Selecting the correct version first helps avoid downloading the wrong track. Click the three-dot menu next to your song, then hover over or select Download. Depending on your account, you'll see one or more download formats. Free accounts can download audio in MP3 format, while Pro and Premier subscribers may also have access to WAV downloads. Choose your preferred download format and wait for the file to finish downloading. Your browser will save it to your default downloads folder unless you've selected another location. Take a moment to confirm that the download has finished successfully. If you want to download several songs at once, select multiple tracks in your library, then right-click and choose Download All. Suno AI will prepare a zip file containing your selected songs. This is a great way to back up your favorite music. Finally, open the downloaded file using your favorite music player to make sure everything downloaded correctly. Your song is now ready to enjoy offline or use according to your account's usage rights. So, you've successfully downloaded your song from Suno AI, and that's how to download songs from Suno AI. Saving your creations makes it easy to keep backups, listen offline, and share your music whenever you need it. If you plan to use your songs commercially, be sure to check the usage rights that apply to your subscription plan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.